Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solutions. So today I have come up again to discuss some common doubts regarding Wipro and Infosys joining updates. So recently I got an update regarding Wipro WILP onboarding dates. So I thought of discussing with you all guys. And there was many doubts regarding Wipro rejection to the candidates. Many of you were asking me constantly in my Telegram channel, so I will discuss regarding it also. And Infosys, what about the update from Infosys after the selection mail in the month of April or in the month of May? So for the system engineer, what is the next process? When will you get? So every detail I will discuss in this single video today. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you're new to my channel, join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. And if you visit to my channel playlist, there you will see many playlists of Infosys and Wipro. So just visit that full playlist and you will clear many of the doubts regarding Wipro onboarding or Infosys onboarding. Okay, so let's come back to today's video. So the first thing that I will discuss is Wipro WILP onboarding dates out. What about Elite? So recently this is the mail that one candidate have received it regarding Wipro. So this is he belong to the Wipro WILP, not BTech, not the elite. He is not the elite candidate. So regarding WILP, he received that we are pleased to inform you that you are joining in Wipro schedule on 28th September. So he got this mail on last week and his joining date is on 28th September. In order for a successful, we would like to onboard you virtually on 15th September for completion of your joining formality as per information mentioned below. So this is the mail that he has received regarding onboarding, and it was a campus hiring. So he received this onboarding process he like on 28th of September, and virtual onboarding will be on 15th September. So if you are also a WILP candidate and you have not received such mail, check your mail constantly. Don't miss any single mail. Check your spam folder or all the folders. Check. You will also receive such kind of mail soon. Okay. So the second doubt was, is Wipro will reject candidate after sending offer letter? So many candidates were asking me that they have seen many other videos, and in that videos it was mentioned that Wipro will take re-exam for all the candidates because many caught cheating in assessment. And also it was coming up that Wipro will filter some candidates. So guys, this kind of news, it is a complete rumor, I would say, because no official update is coming out from Wipro. Yes, if you are caught cheating or if you are seen during exam taking help of any unfair means, then at the time of exam only you will get suspended or you will get rejected. Okay, so after sending offer letter, Wipro will not reject you unless and until you are passed in all the background verification and all, like all the eligibility criteria you have passed 60% criteria, also the backlogs and all the other details. If you have successfully passed it, then after that there is a no chance of rejection. So the online test is already, it is a online proctored test. So at the time of exam only the company will reject you, not after sending offer letter, because there is not one or two candidates who are receiving such kind of offer letter. There are 25,000 30,000 students. For so many huge number of students, it is not possible to conduct exam again and again. Okay, already 22 batches are waiting, then 23 batches are also there. So they will not conduct such kind of exam again and again. So this is a complete rumor that is coming up from the team, and don't believe in such rumor. If such news comes up from the official team, then I will definitely update you, but till now I would say it is a complete fake news and no such news is coming up from the team or from the manager. Okay, the third news was coming up from Infosys is that many of you guys have received Infosys selection mail in the month of April or in the month of May, but after that they did not receive any update. So it was the post of system engineer. So for that I will show you one screenshot. So this was the mail that was sent by one of the candidates regarding system engineer. So I will just read it out for you, that my name is this, my candidate ID is this, I have applied for the post of system engineer in your company. My online test was conducted on this date, 20th of February, and I cleared that round and was shortlisted for interview. My interview was scheduled on 14th of March. I got selection mail on 22nd March, but after that I got no further updates regarding document verification. My profile in Infosys career page is showing review in progress. Please let me know what shall I do now. When can I expect the background check mail? Kindly look into the matter and provide the necessary update as soon as possible. Then she has mentioned all the name, mail ID, candidate ID and phone number. So she has constantly mailed to the campus, to the talent acquisition team. After constantly messaging 4 or 5 times, she has received a reply from the Infosys team. I will show you the reply as well. So this is the reply, that please be informed that we are allocating date of joining based on our business requirement. We will send you a joining communication at least 2 to 3 weeks prior to your joining date. Regards, Talent Acquisition, Infosys Limited. So this was the reply that was coming from their end. And I would say that this is generally a system generated mail, because whatever mail you are sending, same reply is coming from their end, and you know that selection mail is not the final mail of Infosys unless and until background verification and all the other details are checked and you receive the offer letter. You cannot say that you are selected in the company, right? So for that you need a permanent offer letter. Selection mail is just a temporary selecting you to the company. So she has constantly mail, and this was the reply. So there is no update coming up from the team. Only they are saying that as per the business requirement they will conduct in 2 to 3 weeks prior. So it is hoped that everything will get normalized in the month of October, September end or October. So hope so that till September end or October you received all the mail of all the background verification mail from Infosys. Also the Wipro waiting candidates for PJP, also the WILP onboarding dates and all the things. Also for Wipro PJP, last date for phase 1 is 31st of August. So after that it is hoped that between September only for the phase 2 candidates can receive the training, that is PJP mail. Okay, so if you have any further doubts regarding these companies or any other doubts, you can join the Telegram group and message me. Also you can comment down below. I will definitely reply to all your comments. And you can visit my channel playlist. As I said, there I have made many videos and tried to clear many of your doubts regarding Wipro, also regarding Infosys. So you can visit the channel playlist. And if you like this video, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your subscription is an encouragement to me, as I say in every video. So do it and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching today's video. I will come up with such new videos every other day. Thank you. Bye.